What you want to do first is put some diagonal slices in the chicken. I'm just going about, I'd say about a third of the way down. And this does a couple of things. It helps it bake a little faster, allows the juices to soak in, and looks kind of cool. And these are boneless, skinless chicken breasts, but something, that'd be really good is chicken thighs, or just about any part of the chicken you like. Now we'll make our yummy sauce by combining 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, and use a good balsamic vinegar if you can get it. A tablespoon of brown sugar just to balance out that tarty sourness. And for the seasoning, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of dried thyme, a teaspoon of fresh oregano, you can use dried too, and of course a teaspoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. So we'll just go ahead and put this in. Then 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Gotta have that garlic. Now we'll just give this a mix until it's nicely combined. Guys, this smells absolutely incredible. Now I got my baking dish prepared, and this is about a 9x9 baking dish. I'm going to add in some cherry tomatoes, and you can use grape as well, whatever you have. Add in some sliced red onions. You can use white, but I just like the red. I like the taste, and I just like the look of them. I'm also going to add some chopped celery in here. Now I should mention too, guys, in terms of the veggies, the sky is the limit. You can add some broccoli, cauliflower, diced potatoes, whatever your little heart desires. Now it's time to dip the chicken into that wonderful, yummy sauce. You could even leave this marinate for a while too. But I'm just going to eat it as is. As always, I'm hungry. Then over top of our bed of veggies. And of course you want to do this cut side up. Then pour the remainder of that yummy sauce over the top, of course. Still, guys, I'm going to say it again. Smells absolutely spectacular. And I'm going to slip these into a 430 degree, 220 Celsius preheated oven for about 35 to 40 minutes, depending on the thickness of your chicken breasts. After 35 to 40 minutes, there you have it, my friends, our absolutely delicious, scrumptious, baked balsamic tomato chicken. Good. Some of those tomatoes and sauces over the top, of course. Oh my goodness, guys, this smells so good. And just look at those juices. Oh, chicky. Okay, let's cut into this, my friends, and see what we have. Wow, just look at this. Absolutely incredible. And as always, a balsamic tomato chicken cheers. Okay, the moment I love so much. This is spectacular. I don't know what to say, guys. The only thing I can say is you have to try this. I just love the balsamic vinegar, a touch of sweetness from the brown sugar, the seasoning, everything. And the chicken is tender. It's so good. You gotta make this. So for the full scoop on this recipe, as always, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so, because we're reaching that 1 million so close. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.